Welcome to Roscoe Conkling Elementary School's virtual open house. Virtual open house. I am Ms. Skalinsky, the proud principal of Conkling Elementary School. Although the 2020-2021 school year did not start as planned, the faculty and staff are working very hard to make this a great school year. We look forward to the day where we can all meet in person again. I want to thank the families for helping their students log in to virtual learning every day. We thank you for your presence and your commitment to your students' education. We are all in this together, and we will get through this together. Thank you for taking the time to reach out to us with any questions or concerns that you have, as they help us to identify areas for improvement. I look forward to our continued conversations. Although we did not take the New York State assessments due to COVID closure last spring, Conkling Elementary continues to be a school in good standings. We continue to make strides towards academic success. Attendance. Attendance is taken daily. It is important that your student log into virtual learning at 9:05 each school day and follow their daily learning schedules. All teachers have the classroom schedules posted in their Google Classroom stream. If your child has to be absent for any reason, please contact the main office or your child's teacher directly. Student contact information. It is extremely important that you update your child's contact information anytime you have an address or phone number change. This will ensure you receive all important communications from both the school and the Utica City School District. You can update this information by calling the main office. Parent-teacher conferences. If at any time you would like to schedule a parent-teacher conference, you can do so by contacting the main office or your child's teacher directly through email or Class Dojo. Title I Parent Meeting. Please find the link to our Title I Parent Meeting. Mrs. Leo, our AIS facilitator, will provide important information about our Academic Intervention Services program here at Conkling. Teachers' Google Classroom Open House Presentations. In your child's Google Classrooms, you will watch presentations from each teacher, including homeroom, ENL, reading, resource, and special area teachers. They will highlight the curriculum that they will be covering throughout the school year, as well as classroom expectations, provide an overview on how to navigate Google Classroom and the other learning platforms that will be utilized throughout the school year. Important contact information. If at any time you need to reach out to the main office, the school social worker, or the school nurse, here are the following ways to do so, either by phone or the school district's email. We want to thank our district administrators and our Board of Education for their continued commitment to our school and our students. And we also want to thank you again for your continued effort and support. Without all of you, this school year would not be possible. Please enjoy the rest of Open House by visiting your students' teachers' Google Classroom.